KB3 ICU. This is KC3 EKE. Hope you're having a good winter field day over there in Chambersburg, Pennsylvania. 73. 73.
So we are back 2024, setting up for winter field day. Now I gotta say, I don't know how much of a winter this is going to be. The temperature currently is 64 degrees and we're in the daylight. It says the low is going to be 47, so we're expected to have some good warm weather, which will be rather nice. Although we did spend a little bit getting better furnace, the heat stack and the wall protection and stuff built up this year, and now it's going to be nice and warm. Now, as you see here, I'm in the kitchen. We're going to be cooking some food and having some stuff. Here we have the logging system, which we're going to be running N3FJP software. This is a Cisco 3560G gigabit switch, PoE 45 port switch, along with Ruckus wireless hats. I have 2 of them. I have a total of 4, but I'm only going to run 2. We'll be able to do that. Now, unfortunately, we don't have internet out here. Otherwise, we could link up with the new features that N3FJP's come out with, which is pretty neat. Hopefully, we'll be able to expand onto that more. It's just a matter of getting a connection. Now, you know, we go into, that's the equipment, and we have food. Oh, food. Oh boy, we got some good stuff here. We got some nice sub rolls. We got apple turnovers. Of course, can't go without water. We got some donuts. This is gonna be a little bit of a fun mixture. This little mix that I'm doing, we'll put on here. We have grape jelly and chili sauce. And you can also see English muffins for breakfast. This is gonna mix with our theme, which are meatballs. Now, I'm gonna mix those two together later. So we have nice, wonderful meatballs. Plenty of them. Got a couple bags here, and some brown and served sausage for in the morning. Then, the best part of it is, of course, you gotta have all that food. You can't get in here without having some Sprite. Of course, more water. This one's getting cold, the other one's warm. We'll trade them out later. But then we have some Coke, some Diet Coke. We got taco cheese ball. We got plenty of cheese. Don't mind the temperature. Yes, it says 40 degrees. I just turned the fridge on. This products are cold enough right now, but it is coming down in temperature. We'll have that situated. Don't worry about it. Then on top of the rolls, we have our club radio, which is a Yaesu FT450D. That was donated to us by a nice member, and it is an awesome radio. We're going to be hearing this on RTTY, hoping to get out on Packet. We're going to have all sorts of stuff going on. And of course, one of our members, that's some good stuff. That's some really good stuff. We'll explain about that later. And of course, here we are. We're at a nice, helpful friends from the Cumberland Valley Steam Engine and Machinery. These are a great group of people. They absolutely are an incredible group. In a few hours, we will have the end of this set up. So we'll be encased in a tarp. And I said we reinforced some structures for the heaters. We have an oil burner and we have a wood burner. We've built a couple pieces here that you'll see later on that we're going to anchor in, and then we'll tarp all the way around and make this into a small room, which will be quite nice. Then we have all of that field to play with, and during summertime, oh, this is awesome stuff. We can set up and tent down this row, Got plenty of trees, absolutely great. This is also our site for Ham Fest. If you guys are interested in coming out and seeing us, trying to build that Ham Fest up and get it working good. Anyways, here we go. Start of 2024 with supposed to be Winter Field Day, but right now we're gonna call it Winter Summer Field Day. Well, get it down and see what you want.
What do you climb in here?
Maybe.
He found it.
Fooled me once.
All right, shut the thing off before we kill the battery again.
I found it!
What is it?
Harbor Freight gift card.
Awesome, there we go. The transmitter finally has been found. Okay, so here we are, start of 2024. It is currently 10:31 a.m. Saturday morning. And as promised, we have our shelter. Let's go in here and take a look, see what we got so far. Here's Mr. Leroy. Hi, Leroy. Oh, excuse me, John. Look at this. Oh, we would expect him to be hanging out here.
Oh yeah.
How's it going, Rob?
Good, and you, Jim?
Not so bad. Well, you plan on working this field day?
Probably 20 meters.
20 meters?
Maybe try 10.
So why do you do field day?
What do I do field day?
Why do you do field day?
Oh, to practice for emergency communications in supposed to be cold weather climate, but we're pretty much springtime.
I think I seen John around here getting the sunboard out. Boy, let me take a look. We do have a source of heat, which it is putting out some heat. Let's see if we can see.
Up to 6 just to get the chill out of here so we can turn it.
It's kind of hard to see. Hopefully the video is going to do its justice. But that's a oil burner, and should be able to keep nice and warm with it. Soon, gonna have radios all along this side. Gonna be operating no time. Now, check this out. We got spaghetti meatballs. We got Swedish meatballs. One John's bringing. I believe this is a taco cheese ball. And of course, we have, this will be my laptop. Got the logger set up. Now I actually got the display on. Don't forget your video cord, that's important. She's all set, ready to go. It is running through Wi-Fi, so everyone will be able to connect to it.
Charlie 3, Echo Kilo Echo. We are 1 Mike from Oscar Hotel. QSL?
Please copy. 1 Hotel Whiskey Yankee.
Copy that. 73. Have a good one.
73, good luck. You're good.